Poor me. Sigh. A big, vicious brute of a dog has moved into my home.
Grab. Whap, 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 whap. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Punt.
How will I ever survive?
Don't try looking cute at me, Garfield. You still can't have any of my steak. What's your dog's name? Odie.
Odie. A dog named Odie. A blimp named Hindenburg. A ship named Titanic. A car named Edsel.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Oops. I got a scratch on John's favorite chair. Maybe you won't notice.
To be sure you stay away from my pie. I'm going to put this bell around your neck. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. I should have thought of this long ago. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Hee, Garfield is in the bedroom now. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. He's going through the bathroom. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Now he's coming down the hall into the living room. Ding-a-ling-a-ling.
No ding-a-ling is going to keep me from my pie.
Ho, ho, ho.
Whump.
Let's see. Gifts for John, Lyman, and Odie. Oh, yes, and Garfield. How could I ever forget Garfield? Only kid in the world to ask for 20 pounds of lasagna.
Oh no! John got a rocking chair. As long as there's one rocking chair left in this world, no cat's tail is safe.
My rocking chair!
You're kindling.
Never trust a smiling cat.
Flip. Fluff, fluff.
Garfield! Time to eat!
I hate Mondays.
Nothing like a hot bath after a chilly day. Garfield!
Want a warm-up cookie?
Garfield, you're a fat, arrogant, lazy pig.
Well, excuse me. Hello, what's this? A teddy bear. A dumb, stupid, silly-looking old teddy bear. I think I'll call him Pookie.
Surprise, Garfield!
Oh boy, a scratching post.
Fling.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
It wasn't the living room drapes, but I'll give it a 7. Ah, here comes the mailman. Why should dogs have all the fun?
You're going to love this movie, Garfield. It's my all-time favorite. Now here's where Lieutenant LaCroix finds a spot of blood on the butler's sleeve. So, he figures, this guy's acting very suspicious.
I'm getting lazy. It would do me good to get some exercise.
Yawn.
Much better.
I own a cat. And when you own a cat, eating a normal meal takes on an all-new perspective. Knowing that somewhere in there's a cat hair with your name on it.
This is the life. I don't think I'll ever get out of bed again. I'm hungry.
Smack.
Dear Garfield. Believe it or not, I am an ugly kitten. Oh, I do all the things cute kittens do. Play with yarn and such, but I don't get any attention. What can I do? Mud fence.
Dear Mud. You're trying too hard to be cute. You'll get more attention if you just be yourself. And sharpen your claws on the living room drapes.
Oh boy. My Bachelor magazine. I wonder who the centerfold is. Elka? Farah? Almira, the Amazon?
Brrr.
Yawn. I know you're in there somewhere, Garfield. Out!
Next time I'll leave a wake-up call at the desk.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Oh.
Just look what you've done to my chair. You should be more considerate of other people's property. Now I know it's natural for cats to sharpen their claws. Fish gotta swim, birds gotta fly, and cats gotta claw, but do it outside, okay? Garfield. Garfield! Lyman, you got a housebreak, Odie. How? Swat him with something. With what? Cats are nice to have when you're feeling lonely.
I love scrambled eggs. Especially on chilly mornings. When my feet get cold.
Good news, Garfield. The administration says the rate of inflation is going down.
That and $1.50 will get you a cup of coffee.
Crash.
10 billion dogs in this world, and I get Tweedledee the Wonder Dummy. Some people have anxiety attacks, some people have gas attacks. I have nap attacks. Nap attack.
I've heard of catnaps, but this is ridiculous.
Nap attack.
Crash.
Whoever thought a nap attack could hurt? My tuna pate could use some salt. Oops! Here comes another nap attack.
There you have it. Garfield's passion for food is only exceeded by his passion for sleep.
Gee, I'd love to stay in bed all day, but I gotta eat sometime.
Buzz saw saw scratch scratch cut cut buzz.
Oh, I feel a nap attack coming on. Turtles have got it knocked.
See you later, Garfield. I'm going to the grocery store. Very well, you may come along.
I couldn't face life as a declawed person, so I'll just stick my head in the oven and end it all. Stupid electric stove. I hate dogs. Look at that poor mutt. All buggy-eyed and panty and slobbery, it's just disgusting.
Heh heh heh. Here, Odie. Have a steak.
Dab, 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 dab. Splash, splash, splash.
My chicken soup!
The devil made me do it.
Bark.
Now that I'm up, I might as well have breakfast.
Boing.
I hate Mondays. I hate November. Lifeless trees, bleak afternoons, raw winds. Icy sandboxes. I win again.
I think I'll have Garfield declawed. Garfield, I'm going to have you declawed.
Take an arm. Take a leg. But spare my claws.
You're going to be declawed, and that's that. Now get your head out of the oven.
I couldn't face life as a declawed person, so I'll just stick my head in the oven and end it all. Stupid electric stove. John's gonna have me declawed. What a frightening thought. Going through life unarmed.
I took Garfield to the vet to be declawed. They're removing his stitches next Thursday.
Poor Garfield.
Who's talking about Garfield? I'm sorry I tried to have you declawed, Garfield. I love you just the way you are, claws and all.
Someday, somehow, when you least expect it, I'm going to shred your bedroom sweet.
Cabling, 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 cabling.
Food is fun.
Garfield! Bath time! Garfield!
You do what you have to. I'm basically your neat cat.
Crash!
I like to keep my windowsill tidy.
Garfield, as of this minute, I'm putting you on a diet. Garfield? I think I snapped his mind.